Hey guys, it's me Shalad. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So for today's video is I'm going to make a creamy Maja Blanca. So the ingredients, a coconut milk, evaporada, condensed milk, a kernel corn, the mane or peanut, a cheese, and the cornstarch. So before we further ado, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is pour the coconut milk in a cooking pot and wait for a few minutes to boil. After that, add the condensed milk and mix it. Next, mix the evaporada and the cornstarch. Make sure that the cornstarch will dissolve. Pour the evaporada and cornstarch mixture to the boiling coconut milk. And then add the kernel corn. Stir it until desired consistency is reached. Pour into container and let it cool. After the cooling process, transfer it to the final container and refrigerate it. After a few hours refrigerating it, we're gonna put the toppings, which is the mane, but we're not going to put cheese. So mane na lang. Tapos na po ako maglagay ng mane. Ito na yung creamy Maja Blanca natin. So, titikman na natin yung creamy Maja Blanca. Ito siya. Masarap siya, guys. Gawin nyo to sa bahay nyo. We are done making the creamy Maja Blanca. So, let's proceed to the winner of our giveaway. So, I'm going to use this phone para sa pagrureleta and I will screen record it para makita nyo. And so, let's get started! And the winner is Ayan! Congratulations, Lanquino! Please add me and PM me on Facebook para ma-claim mo yung prize mo. So, bye!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.